smile will bring a sunshiny day.
Everybody, do what you're doing. Smile will bring a sunshine day. Everybody, do what you're doing. Smile will bring a sunshine day.
Luke chapter 23. Luke chapter 23, verse number 12. On that very day, Herod and Pilate became friends. Before this day, they had been enemies. Luke chapter 23, verse number 12. On that very day, Herod and Pilate became friends. Before this day, they had been enemies. Yes, you won a didn't come up every year singing Herod ne Pilate. No more him from you. Yes, you know. Yes, you know. Now, one ya time for papa, woman cat. I say, Krubi so. Apeja hene bemo hene. That's your boy. Yes, you are sending a mukra through the process of Jesus' crucifixion. Two big kings, they became friends. Mr. Passion Week in Yashas, what did them work saying? O bompire at Yobi, and I said, Okohon Mukoya, dear. Many the Kwame in Dako, no me and Sir Abba Pons Makumako at 9. April Busumi, at their Tosso Makumako, enum any and ne. If you know any adunu, I am yes, sir. No, no one funny bet me as you made Sonia Cofa news. Now you think I was Sabra Monafi yet me as sorry to cry on some Hormono. DJ singing our duty, DJ Donzi, Ziggy B. Yet the accident be man and Kwame Perry, who or don't you more at the man. McFadden. And you are most who duty. Because you have some bar for monitoring from afar and near. Yenda sports for the swasi. Maybe didn't come here in the account. Yamisha Naka when I to me anyway. Sabre, teacher for, lawyer for, carpenter for, a school for Mamma Quamoteka Eba, Amamukodra, Mamukompa Bonso. And when you are aquabo.
Welcome. Where's the Lord? Aquaba on la rive. Welcome, where's the Lord? Aquaba on la rive. You are seeing what the young man now you did that swap. Now, so when I'm doing them, we'll swap with our side. Woman, you know, yeah, can such a to be. And I was and one quan and I miss you. And Ryan and I'm a rock, and Rankwan and I'm in now son of the antis, Rassisama Bravo, Yamino, Mashamelo, Yamamba, Rassisama Bravo, Yamino, Mashamelo, and Rankwan and I'm in and Ryan. Son of the antis, Yamino, Shamano, Yamino, Pajamia, Yamino, Washamano, and Ryan, and I'm a Sujani, and Ryan, and I am coming, Kobe, and Ryan, and I'm eating this year. That's one of the antis. Washamano, Yamino, Pajani, Sama Bravo, Yamino, Washani, one.
Akuma Radio 97.1.
And Ryan, I can't even come in come. And Ryan, I can't even come so. Then the aunties are Yamino, Ofra, me be, Miniwa, yeah, Aba, Ofra, me be, Miniwa, yeah. And one quan, and I can't even come in come. And one quan, and I wash on the classroom. And Ryan, and I'm in soon. And so now the aunties are Shani Wano, Papa Jabasa, Opa Mikobi, your Francois, the Kampara, Opa Mikobi, your Francois, no condition is permanent. Yawa and Ibrachamu, Minsubio. We said your fire trust when it is so sad. It just where my Fifadia, Yamino Bashan, it just where my Fifadia, Yamino Bashan, no condition is permanent. What one and Ibrachamu, Minsubio, the empire trust when it is so sad. That's why I'm feeling. Bianca, Yamia, woman's son is a swah. Me, Subio, is a Yamino, Shani Wanoya. Media means Subio, Shani Wanoya. Miss Subio, Shani Wanoya. My son, Miriam, I was so young, and you're
97.1.
Jesus, and if you're failing now, if you only power, if you only finance, Jesus Christ, what do it will mark that you are sliding, come here and no dear Pajodiana was. I should want to know about Jesus. Yeah, they are sitting down. Every side, when I saw, and I see that any cabia, every side, when I saw, yes, and I see that any cabia. Every side, when I saw, and I see that any cabia, and in my wampara, every side, when I saw, or sorrow him, why, or sorrow him, yada, was it. Yasida, any cabia, Yanima Wampara, every side. When I saw, Yasida, any cabia, every side. When I saw, sorrow him, that's your sorrow, Yada was ya, Yada Sida, and to too many, any cabia, every side, Yadin to too many, any cabia, every side. Yasi, Obiara Zawa, yeah, To me, Basi, yeah, it ring to me, you sanya, also, Adiawa, you sanya, you sanya, Shawani, Adiawa, Usanya yana masi adia waye amaoma usanya yashawa imonya adia waye amaya no usanya namaso adia Jesus, why? I'm out of my Yewasanya, Empaja Woody, this way. Adia, why am I of my Yewasanya, Empaja Woody, Yewasanya, Emma, also, Yewasanya.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Odima fue Jesus, Okama fue Messiah, Ohini Yehovah, Nebeda Wasi, Ohini Yehovah, Nebeda Wasi, Odima fue Jesus, yeah, Okama fue Messiah, Ohini Yehovah, Nebeda Wasi, Ohini Yehovah, Nebama Oso, Ohini Yehovah, Nebeda Wasi, Ohini Yehovah, Nebama Oso, Ohini Yehovah, Nebama
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Why for Jesus, we are Jesus.
Jesus.
Yambo for Nyamye.
Yambo for ni awurade. Oyiwa. Yebeda wasio. Oyiwa. Yehowa. Awie wa hini Yehowa. Oyini Yehowa. Yebeda wasio. Oyini Yehowa emfrada wase. Oyini Yehowa empanyinifo da wase. Oyini Yehowa adetonfo eda wase. Wa o ma ho kwan na wo ba Kristo be hwe ni moja gu ya de je ada samankwa. Yesu moja ni ntie ne obi a ye odefo.
Ya di wa ye yi. Ribrawo.
Senye Yesu moja no a.
Ya je papa.
Anka ye gina hini. Enye Yesu moja no a. Anka ye moborofo. Enye Yesu moja no a anka da so ye wonko asom. Tie Yesu moja no eni wo ma Kristofo nko a o. Bible said the blood of Jesus Christ, his son, cleansed us from every sin. And nothing the Bible said, do a genidi, one hour genidi, and almost to me say, the blood of Jesus Christ, his son, cleansed us. Sabanon, what you need, and to Gidia or your crofon, or Gidia, and Mojana Papa. And to which we walk on, sir, and you know a sacre of a barbaro. No, Radia catch and say, more aquapano quaffo. Yes, your mamma, who are Uncle Presby, your Presby. Come at this in your Methodist. I can saw the woman and can ya sorry. And then we are what has not a mother but dreamu. Namojadi Melfrey Sania, who would have been a sunny free or Srumusro, and or the aquatic beaton who's be wood gem and no one. Are into phobia and me pa. I say you came from heaven to the earth to show the way from the earth to the cross, from the cross to the grave, from the cross to the grave. If you saw what I'm saying, echo asasiase. Me say yes ni wo no. Tie me, wo de ka say yabakwasem. Bibia ni wanya yabakwasem. Se kwa nkroma ye ya meto no. Nanso ye ka ne ho asem da. Obi kura kan books or the masters. Yesu da kwa wu no. Wasi asendu ya no so no. Akronfo mienu. Ba ku ye friend Gastas, Gestas, was on the right, or was on the cross to the left of Jesus. Gastas no left. Ani ye benkumo no. Ana ba ku ye friend Demas. Ono so no right. Na wonim akronfo mienu yi ba ko esakra na adwene ntem a Yesu ni wo no e mo okronfo eko paradisi. Yesu ni wo no a Luke 23 verse 12 ema ahemfo mienu a wo mo nkasa eka bo mu ekasa e Mr. Luke 23 e ya kan ho. Yesu Jesus on the cross, he brought a relief to a thief. Enkane wo hini wo asi entwa ni pati fankosie no. Yesu ni wo ye ntwa ni pati o. Ono mo ni moja na hwiegu ye ana ma ahemfo mienu ka bo mu. Ni moja na hwiegu ye wo at the point of death oji obi nkwa. Ne kasa wa sendua no so aji obi nkwa. Me say ye kai Kristo ni wo ni sorry ye. So betum ni kako Yesu nche ya. Obaje wo nkwa. Mama fa okro no nyina bra. Fa ya de nyina bra. How ni nyina bra. No oye yaje nkwa papa. Ono me say da Yesu bewu de me kwa me da ko mewu. Da Nyankopon be yira mewu. E say me da so no ma ho odi nyina ne ono. Christ is my strength and my all. Awie. Wasi tie. Ochira ko ne emu be ya den. Ochira ko no passing week ne be sha say ya fidie iso. Me say Christopher ana ni wuo ye bo hu dede munkwachi ni mro Kristo pana ni wuo obi kofi obi ano obi obema kofi bema ano se me fina no amede yi na ma me say enye ni panya na pa wasam enye ni panya na do obi betan obi bechiu na so Kristo di odo da. As for Christ, he loved you everything every time. As he come to me all that he labored. and are heavily laden, come to me and I'll give you rest. Opa homia Yesu. Opa yaresa Yesu. Opa ojie Yesu. Opa kwantu Yesu. The Bible said, one man di aburu di nyina so ye boni di a kotodwo nyina. Every knee must bow and every tongue confess that indeed Jesus Christ is the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. Now I'm na watching ntwamu. I'm na watching ntwamu. Ahun kwa urade adidie. Ese moja bi bekasa. Moja ekasa ma asase mu pa ye no e ba be kasa wasie da de se wankọ adidi a the whole year one time anya hwe adidi a wakọ nyina ye kwa ni moja ne so asase so e de fa ho de ba e ni moja ne di nkonim de ba e Yesu moja ne enhya won so awie Yesu moja ne nkata won so awie Yesu moja mo ho ba awie ni moja no ehwegu Calvary a e de oje ne fa ho de ba e no awie yaka Yesu ni wo ne sorry ati senso ni bi ayem pa bo dichi ane yo e da wasio sama on kwampo be wuji yan de boyefo yan atrofo kwankwan samma te se yan awudie ma te se yan o ma ho kwan se oba be wu ageme kwa me da konkwa awie ba bi a wutie me enda so ho wate so be dwena hwe Yesu a mahwe na chiri kwan a what is the Pentecost for your convention Kobe Methodist for you be Kobe Calvary Hill for you be Kobe CAC you be Kobe na okronfo okra sakra na adwene da no a Yesu ka cheso be kam ho paradise Herod ne Pilate e ka bomu Yesu ni wo nti na osoja ni ba ko ogina ho ye bo Yesu asendua mu wie ye asumdru asase mu pa na ntamadan mu pa say ampa indeed this is the Son of God we be see wabra bomu so do ho to awurade Yesu Kristo so a okachire Moses say se mu fi Misiri mu akwa obi ankom odwama no fa ne moja no ensan omupona no na anadwo no okumbofo no du ho no mo a Yesu moja enyu fi o ha obi amu Yesu moja enyu fi atete bi amu ni wo ne fa hodie e de baaye awie Kristo nti o ma fa hodie adoma incident amen
Jesus Christo, Madani, Mama, Jesus Christo, Madani, Mama,
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Jesus Christo, Madani, Mama, Jesus Christo, Madani, Mama, hallelujah. One more show.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Jesus Christo, Madani, Mama.
Akoma Radio 97.1. Akoma Radio 97.1.
wayo. Why me say? Anyama wati. Onyame na wayo. Onyame na wayo. Why me say? Achi sungwa. Onyame achimi. Atoye bebe. Onyame waye. Ao. Anyama wati. Onyame na wayo. Come on, we say achi sungwa. Onyame wachimi. Atoye bebe. Onyame waye mi. Ao. Anyama wati. Onyame na wayo. Anyama wati. Onyame na waye. Beka. Ama begi nati. Anyama wati. Onyame na wayo. Waya mamyo. Waya me say. Achi sungwa. Onyame wachimi. Atoye bebe. Onyame waye. Ayano pasamo. Beka. So onyame na wayo. Waya me say. Cha achi sungwa. Onyame wachimi. Atoye bebe. Onyame waye mi. Oh. Beka. Onyame na wayo. Onyame na wayo. Achi sungwa. Onyame wachimi. Atoye bebe. Onyame waye mi. Anyama wati. Onyame na wayo. Achi sungwa. Onyame wachimi. Abusengo tochibia. Nakani demo. Anyama wati. Onyame na wayo. Onyame na wayo. Why me say? Anyama wati. Onyame na wayo. Onyame na waye. Waya mami. Anyama wati. Onyame na wayo. Onyame na wayo. Wayo.
Okuma Radio 97.1. 97.1.
Amini chafao, wawahima ni mua. Asendi ane sono, na utie mukase. Rapo merio, mukwaji mweju manua. Tetele sta merie. Mukwaji mweju manua. Tetele sta merie. Tetele sta merie. Merio tetele sta merie. Mukwaji mweju manua. Ye maya resa huwa jumano. Isto werio. Ese mwa kwantu mwa sema jumano.
Ziggy warie. McFadden warie. Basolo Paradise warie. Yatiefo nyina Yesu warie odi haw ni nyina ko. Listen inside ready. Come on brody. Akosia bombo Odikro Amanfuma Bahima Mama Frimpoma Ane Aya Ibrahim Area Mama Adubia Auntie Diana Koko Ase Mama Doris Benuye Minoye Salo Lampard Joe Kwachi Kasola Maxwell Offer Fire Negati Manti Deu Rose Miliki Mikul Mama Castro or Hene Wani Yago or Pim Sign Wadeu Papa Yehowa Esu Wadeu and Wisdom Shamunina Rie Boho Specialist Munina Mubutuonomo and I feel Captain Retired. Mama me yure fi Obrim Pon Kweku Troil. Hey, wawie enkwanje ho adu mano and me kwasra King's Prayer Fellowship for omunyina tuche adema Ziggy B Ziggy omu tuche ma papa Ziggy die fantastic man materi sinia wa ho fama na kuma mutise eno ani Ziggy na kotokufu na edi ne hwamo kotoku roya na edi Ziggy hwamo na so nyame wo ho se mikro mu team ni wo na me yo mikro mu team ni wo Ziggy na wo de ye shower se be fa ne sa Ziggy B original ono oda St. Luke Methodist St. Luke Methodist ana Ziggy wo aso ochia ne fie wura ene area mama afi me mama obuo mama so tie bi kofitio mama mu nyina ya Afaya abuntam na yemfa chia kase no so emma Ensunyame ye bakery ayebo wo momrane se bi re fi brodo idin o Mon kami brodo ni din na ye brodo kama pa ne wo marriage junction no ye urade nya nkopon Mo McFadden why are there? Yeah, kwasi brodo ni okai nipa. McFadden hot oven. Yeah, brodo a ye de madidie e wa so dem. What you say brodo ni yetimi de madidie wa so dem. Communion wine near the brodo naka ho. Ne Yesu shira so no eno ane hot oven. Pa. One more boarding house yi utwa kakra bi na de mabo frana 3 months. Brodo ni biaba na mu hot oven pa de o ye brodo mu king kong. Yeah. Sunyame ye bakery. Mo ya de papa. Oto nsafra wo mo. Se wo nye pastries ema wo ya adore wedding ni ade a. Obe ne kama ede ama. Awie tunchi akase ede mamu nyina. Hot oven adwuma fo nyina. Ewo ye o marriage junction. Afie nya contempo ne so ada ene wo mbutuo. Adwuma ye fo CEO. Munyi nada nyame nhyira mo nti nanim enkyere mo pa. Omampanyini ma order ne mmra say anopa bia obi asore na obanum ti a obanum koko a odi one fa hot oven anka ho a ye foul. Enye mmra Ghana ha hot oven pa. Omari Junction on Butuo afinya kwantempo no so ara 0544 10 70 16 0544 10 70 16 hot oven brodo papa and no one more brodo so assault nyamisha mo pa moye boy somebody can catch us bro nya ne benti Passion week in Inti, ever boss, I knew ya near Kenya, Nipano, Kaka, said, Bibi, we mono, upon a sad, the mamma sack of say, one baby, and I see a baby. Yes, you one day I irrelevant and crap, papa. It's a bit possible method is the big jump for your channel. My friend, I mean, nature foul. Michelle driver for I would rather go pong. Send you woo at TSC Mrantian Maboaso, ye, and do come up with a for your small people crown my aim. For your small people crown my aim. Ye, for people more, the people Gugua, Yantis and Pa, ye, Madame Fui. I do come from Mamma Shadio, I can for. Ye, and Rantian to go say. Already, everybody be a facha yo. Everybody be a facha yo. And for so be a facha yo. Now, my yes, Mojan and Shayas, and then you have Musuni and Sanania building Namu. Offla construction and real estate in country, sir. And we by a crowd say, well, train, but Modiana brand, I see by just cement. I feel marine balls near the trap floor, no plywood, they did Jumahuina. I feel blocks on all sizes 6 inches, 5 inches, 4 inches, and 10 inches. Maybe I share one more. I feel a born and hiring of trucks, payloader services. I dance the only man in Nadia and one offla construction. I just say, we see Kadi Juma, Sika ye dear. And one Mario, and then a year, Mario, and then a year. Now, Mario, you didn't answer me who you. And now, watch you go, Jesus, or I didn't come home. I feel real estate developing and a general construction. It's offla when come on, pa. Offla construction, a monochromatic appeal. Opposite say, go for it, yeah. I feel www.offlaconstructionlimited.com. And the social media handle is your Offla Construction Limited. Your property are priority 0279 012 954 and if it's 0552 95 71 98. Offla Construction as your property are priority. Esther, where you? Owura Nyame, we are Beza Ewo Nifa Senior High School. Papa Nyame, Mr. Nyame, Pajo Michiana, what is in Christ in T. Methodist Administrative Bishop, Wofi, a yet letter, your friend Bishop Bossman, Papa Bossman, Michiao, Latte Quay, Papa, Overska Grandma, so show home. And now, also for back your friend, also for Shadrach. Very Reverend Shadrach. MC, a group MC in the brother Penny. I also for Penny Power Methodism. So where the Meshach and another Shadrach. I know I'm a Sunday school teacher. Also for Shadrach and Papa Meshach and the Methodist Administrative Bishop. Mukam Humbo Latequai, Motumia. Yay! Me mammy, ya war a year, Dachi Michel, Antibenis, eh? We are feeding ye, Michel Wati. After Mama Co. Ora, a year, you can't say, Po. Ora, quasi flowers, you too, Wati. I do be honest, Salomo, my idea, my new being a bidder. Why, yeah, that's the last time. Me got to Mammy be an easier to do now all to you. Must say, me Tom Presta. I'm saying, Mama, I am a Tom Presta. Et Lester. Why? Yes, yes, and any Geneva, and then because King's Prayer Fellowship, would you for Edward or say, the birthday and Chabeba, Nadano didn't birthday, Nere, Echo Teen, free hotel be. I say, hey, what do you for? What do you for? So then the Tidal Hotel, you, what do you for? Where your birthday in the bar, my sister found Kwesibia Hotel, Kwesibia Hotel, as of 4 bishops. Imams, police form penny for, BN9 penny for, Nanama him for near him for, Muni Nada, Mosonomo dear womb. For you for birthday, dear sister, for you for co, non quite any oh, a year, Quasibia Hotel, oh. I had to say, above one, I don't chedu and Tokwe. I see, Papa, I know whom you fit you, now I don't chedu and Saba. Me ba abafo Madame Compano Mr. Abakio. Hey, Nyami adwuma na ya concert yi. Nyami adwuma da na concert yo. Asi yo, me na me yo odifo no. Onyami jakoko no. Na papa adum chedu asaba. Me ba me nua ba ma. Radu we momo. Anything Kwasibia Hotel, Semen Cancho, is one of the luxurious hotels situated at Kropokuapim. One muni competitor beer, for now, dear, the only undisputed heavyweight hotel is Tyson Fury, and as Dental Wilder, and Anthony Joshua. It's only unstoppable to say Lionel Messi, and I feel Cristiano Ronaldo. It's only very, very energetic to say Mbappe. Yeah, Kwasibia, Untimeno, come premium suits. No, any DSTV Nenam, the personal butler, when you be at the amount, but share and sack, come at the amount. Shana butler, you man, Babrumo, yes, you'll be a butler, on your packet, or be a butler, Jai, on your children's service. If somebody's a butler, Jai. And the butler, I say, the chief male servant of a household who has charge of other employees, receives guests, directs the serving of meal, and performs various personal services. And we a butler when your children's service, butlers, you know, when we are Juma papa, and you call a year, Kwasibia Hotel. My bad love, share and sa Eddie Amon, come on, Canadian net me a conkind, Eddie Ama war. And watch your more a year kitchenette. I feel more guest a washroom. I feel more junior suit, and no, and DSTV and a minibar, and now I feel a year deluxe plus. And it's a mini bar and a DSTV so can I feel the last minute no and also a mini bar and a DSTV so shemo up a conference room come your conference and also be called Kwasibia Hotel. One more teacher a year or chain ni fie quantum pon so ada Barbados Street and more crop work yapim 0303 96 1989 0303 96 1989 and I feel 0200 08 34 34 Kwasibia Hotel. Hotel back on part, the G and papa or Honomo. Be uncle Jinny, now the party, your bone company, and your hay. A question, son, no, Madame Chiamo. Perseverance, and I feel Quam Taylor. Casola. Hey. Me just a Pentecost by a convention, can. A grace for a passion week, can. Christ for Bayer, Methodist for Bayer, and Munina, Mamuna, I go.
97.1.
Na bafo ababeka ye hui pe na ye pa Solo Paradise Ewura studio ha. Na Solo Ewura studio ha pepepa. Na unu say abafo no esane wo mo aba. Aya sports bre na edu ene wuku adai. Munda bia. Ala. Anche mo batinka. Aya huda. Aya Solo wo hu abafo da na.
Physical.
Physical.
Dabi.
Okay. Na hu oba pen.
De mi hu am da.
Hu no efa.
Obia. Oh, say any o man nete.
Okay. So me bisa question ya no mame. Judas any Peter. Ha yesifa nipa mi ni yesifa ba ko yonko. Wana be fa no yonko.
Be fa Peter.
Adentia. Me fa Judas.
O be fa Judas. Aye. Okay, what the hell no? But me dey me fa.
Okay, explain.
Internet say Judas no. Upon your ni Yesu ye nyina. Oyini ma oton Yesu meka ne sa.
Okay.
Obi so beka say Peter so do be onu so yi Yesu ma. Ba ne de no. One ton. Okay. Na Yesu edu owu enkwan na no doda.
Ati wan ko yi Yesu ma no. Peter ni Judas wan.
Judas.
Peter can say onim Yesu. Judas wan ka say onim no. Okoton no say we ade yo de na oton wo de wo say onim no. Solo say me no ti hai. Na do critical point say me do one dances Solo. Me na yedwuma okoma pen.
Tie say Peter ka say onim Yesu kura na. ɛno no ma yɛn gyae
ɛna me se solo critical point
na me nkyerɛ
na
mu
maka sɛ menimu solo ɛna obi so bɛba sɛ oh menimu mɛtumi de nama mo
sɛ ɔmo kaa sɛ sɛ yɛn na Peter kaa sɛ wɔnim Yesu ɛna asanka mu bɛgyaa na ɛno nko by sɛ ɔka sɛ wɔnim Yesu koraa na kana wɔka sɛ wɔnim Yesu
ɛna me se solo
nkurɔfoɔ ne sɛ akwan sɛ Yesu nkurɔfoɔ ne bi nie so ɛhɔ no Peter adwene sɛ ɔkɔka sɛ ɔnim Yesu a ɔno mmɔ ne yɛbɛyɛ no bi ɛyɛ Yesu ne yɛbɛgya
ɛna me Judas no me se me ne Yesu menim no mɛtumi de nama mo nti me ne Peter no ho ana yɛ ade papa
still Judas an ade papa
wow solo edu critical point go kun na me se menimu ali so da kame ka kwa na nke
ɔno ne de na ɔbɛka ne nsave Yesu
ɛna me se ka wo de menka ne yɛnkum mfra wo sɛ solo ho akyɛ paa sɛ ne ɛda no
no yes run for your life
nti da no me di wachi ko police station yɛ kye me a
I want one no
solo what you remember
no asa
boss no never yo what solo what ni better than you
Peter did Judas there na eka
me da say
no
solo mo wa unu owu anu po wa yi mama adwo
the only man to all matters is our champion Superman
oh nyame ho super ne ni nyina mo yankopon
ndi nyame dia mejo super
we fans ne kakrafa
obata kari ya bad
perseverance kojo
on pamwe
no
oh wow
na ba ku bia ofata papa ye wo hai ifi amanti usom ba ku bia wa pamama me no chale akropon
mamu pam bi nhyɛ yɛ
o sɛ ukoto material ne ba me kyerɛ hotel ni ba bia sɛ wo de kɔ ya wonya material na material we nso no akyerɛ ha ya ma me bi ton materials ne wa kyerɛ ha ya o kyerɛ me Chelsea omo na we
omo Chelsea for banner
Chelsea for ne de same pass no
omo best
and me pam sha amanfo be say best shit na ba hu se ba ko bi wa metumi de aboduku akwaje no aka ho unse akoma na so mfa so e benya apart from say you tua oka no wonam na oje fans na sister bia makoshia nansia ono so akoshia bombo ono so ye boutique enye bete
akoshia bombo
ba bia da no kwaje aduan na akire ho internal revenue area ho
okay okay one in town
ya bi no o soro ho no mo
ayi ho
betting akire ho no
okay most of your friends you can say brackets
akire ho no brackets chef Benis ne chef no so ano mate say ofie pred me ba ko bisa ne mu
sa minimum wo chebi chef no your friend no soba minimum wo chebi na satan na mo efie ba kun bi mo chebi
okay
obo adwuma pa na mo susu biribi
okay
yeah
mayankwa na mu abegina ha idea
o ma la
chief security so bad ni shemu no so di obed shemu
awon so di na shemu mo de mo shemu we do we shemu na we do we shemu
obo ahwede ba ko de we na ya go solo
Master Mo no champion security. Ausia yama adwama akwa family Okuma Radio 97.1 so yamraso say enwumre agudie mu nsam ayensa ka no yede bedan wo na hu se ne nsam no ete edoso na so ne se fata no ena yatena se ayede ba krob ya sante eke omu na ata ekire enwumre ena mede nsam no ete ba medina the power solo paradise. I am the guy with the romantic voice on your radio. Yanko Facebook DJ Zigby ena fe John Mark omu na so Facebook on social media na the amune handle adwuma no and so on my Facebook Okuma Radio 97.1 Facebook YouTube Okuma Radio 97.1 who do YouTube subscribe Facebook also like a page no na share na Facebook drop a comment as we go as here you be kind na and so to me the amount and you may yension some na say FM Free Ghana Premier League match day 21 outstanding league game beba sunyame adoma and you may and so Kumasi Babanyara Sports Stadium Kumasi base game Facer and Etwa Sante Kotoko no mo enso to me de bani na report ayaba enso say ene Kumasi King Facer officially omo announce coach and di Ignatius Oseifosu say new head coach no na eba be lead team and di King Facer enso to me de na kobo asase no enso so ntena nwumre game King Facer ebebo against Kotoko no Ignatius Oseifosu ono enso ebe lead King Facer boboko no na omo de akwa koshia Kumasi Asante Kotoko eno eye reporter every King Facer so akache ede eba na yenko Kotoko nso aseye omo na ebo home omo Asia King Facer team no se ne ekobasa Kotoko ewini a omo so ewuram ewo second position of the league log omeba eye 41 points, almost 38 points. It is almost winning almost 3 points now. Almost about 41 points. Almost about that second position on the leg log. King Facer and so a winner. Almost no ebe uram normal free 13th position almost that. Almost so about that a 9th position on the leg log. Enti enom enso ne sani etiye kakra enso honuma ano ye den pa but ni na no ye behwe na ye de ho nkomo enso tumi de aba o kira no pa ye transfer ase na ekokosi ye bia ye de beba ye 7 p.m. and a game no ebeba so e wo Babanyara Sports Stadium ye ka sa game no ho ansam no na yemfa ye ne nchemu Kotoko omo possible lineup senior coach Abdullahi Gazeli odibe wura mu no enso enie goalkeeper no na likely ebekwa kwaye goalkeeper Frederick Asare ono ebeda goal post limit Danlad Ibrahim ye be bench no better bench enso to me dey ama game no na Augustina Japan Nicholas Osebonso Mohamed Al Hassan Maxwell Ajiman Richard Boaduagadas Eric Zeze NFA abanta ni de Richmond Lamte ana afe Matthew D'Souza Steven Mukwala Enoch Morrison likely se bibia nsesande a star players eduba kunwe ana be sha ase de ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko boboko na ena yume ye de emu nchiremu no enso etumi de ama wama wanhuse ne a eno so ete enso ewo ho ye kan Ghana Premier League enso awon sam no ne Kotoko any King Facer abebo no week 21 outstanding game and eba so na week 25 no ya gba wie midweek we anase yeah, we over the weekend. Now, Udwani Echiremo, our week 25 now. After say, yeah, week 25, no general start for Ghana Premier League, no, and yeah, so far, yeah, about 224 games, and yeah, about na yeah, wins, no home wins, no 128, away wins near 35, and after draw, to me, no, 61 draw. And then also to me about goals are so far Yasha our Ghana Premier League no out of after say about 224 games no 446 goals and here to me Yasha our Ghana Premier League no and so far home goals amayen 296 away goals no amayen 150 away goals afe first half goals 206 second half no 240 in the second half there goals never pa 240 goals and yet to me our Ghana Premier League name our second half yellow cards are accumulating on 840 yellow cards red cards 33 red cards and then also accumulating on goals are so far about GP no and so 11 on goals and to me about outstanding game no back on and then and ye and I paid 64 penalties awarded and yet to me amount the penalties do PM our league name no so far 64 ya 51 and they say 13 and so Monte Ghana Premier League general starts now after match day 25 and then you may yeah they want some at the amount one na clean sheet no yam famau so far clean sheet no saying that here Abrante the Felix J or your goalkeeper at the Mami Diama no lady clean sheet no 12 clean sheets and what to me make Joseph Ado ewo Ediana ono make 11 afe Lawrence Ansa ɛwɔ FC Samates wɔn nso atumi make it 10 clean sheet ɛna ɔbɛn sɛkyerɛ Gregory ɛwɔ Brekum Chelsea ɔmo nkɔ yie deɛ nneɛma nkɔ ɛyie ɛnfɛ mɔmɔ but goalkeeper no ɛperforme 10 clean sheet ɔno nso atumi akipi ɛnso wɔ goal post ne mɛde ama Brekum Chelsea bɔbɔ kono na anɔpa no mɛde Nasco ɛyɛ coach of the month no ɛnso atumi de ma nominees no yɛnko player of the month Nasco player of the month of March no nominees ɛnfɛ ma bɔbɔ kɔ ne din yɛ de akyem da Kotoku Royals Ziggy Tim no ɔmo kita 3 players ɛwɔ mu 5 players ɛna yɛ short list wɔn na sei ɛna teɛ na memfɛn to wɔ abranta ne de Dominic ɛyɛ Amponsa ɛnso ɛwɔ Accra Lions akache 6 matches 4 goals man of the match no ɔgye baako Andy Kumi Francis ɛyɛ striker de Kotoku Royals 6 matches 4 goals wanje man of the match ɛwɔ mu bie mu ave Francis Richard Ejiko ɔno nso wɔ Kotoku Royals bobokonim 6 matches 3 goals 1 man of the match ɔno nso agye ɛna fe Samson Eduku ɛwɔ bobokwandin ɛnso de Tamale Cities 5 matches 3 goals 1 man of the match ɔno nso agye Collins Kofi Kujo ɛnso ɛwɔ ɛyɛ bobokwandin ɛde Kotoku Royals 5 matches 3 goals 2 man of the match ɛna ɔno nso atumi anyanti wei ɛyɛ players a ya shortlist ɔmo anase ya nominate ɔmo for ɛyɛ player of the month of ɛyɛ match Nasco player of the month of March ɛna enwumere yɛde emu nkyɛmu ade yɛma wɔ yɛmra women football nso kakra na yɛmra mbɛdi nkɔmɔ nso mfɛmfiri mfɛma wɔ na ababawa ne din ɛde Edith David Doe ninchi kakra efiri Nigeria ɛna ninchi ni bi enso efiri ɛyɛ Ghana ne maame yɛ Ghana ni ne papa yɛ Nigeria ni na ababawa no ɛsi ene no waso eche ne nationality wagye atom ɔbɛba besi akan de ama Ghana wa choose Ghana ahead of Nigeria enti Edith David Doe ɔno enso nkɔmɔ kakra ɛno no a enwumere ɛno so yɛ pia ɛde ato w'anim enso wɔ dwumadi no ɛso na odi w'ani akyerɛ mu a ɛyɛ women's ɛyɛ football no ɔmo season no say that the FA Cup no quarter final no ebeto from on the 2nd to 4th of May 2023 and a women's FA Cup no quarter finals no yebebo 2nd to 4th of May and yebebo semi finals no yebeba 5th to 8th of May 2023 na fe grand finale no yabon on the 19th of May 19th to 22nd of May and a finals no and also no in 24 ese yebebo na uduane achemo ewo omo Malta Guinness Premier League no women's Premier League no and so calendar na say week 16 no yababo no on the 14th to 17th of April 2023 that's week 17 21st to 24th of April and also yababo week 18 no 28 to 1st May 2023 na fe final week no yewurem and so May 12 to May 15 2023 eno nhyehyɛ da hɔ enso etumi ɛde ɛma ɛna nwumire so yeton ɛde ɛma wɔ nwumire matches bi awɔ so ɛwɔ amanɔne Clasico ɛbɛba so ɛno yɛ Copa del Rey ɛna ɛbɛba so ntikai national so ɛyɛ Barcelona versus Real Madrid ɛno ɛyɛ Copa del Rey second leg first leg no kɔ so ɛwɔ Estadio Santiago de Bernabeu ɛma Barca ɛkɔ winning by a goal to nothing nti return leg encounter ne na ɛba so ɛnso wɔ Spotify Camp Nou ntikai national so ɛma me woko English Premiership ni man 2 games ebeba so Manchester United ebeta Old Trafford omone Brentford ebebo enyume 8 p.m. na fe West Ham United enso ehia Newcastle United bobo kwana so 8 p.m. enyumere na Clasico no so enyumere Saintikai National so enso ntumi emfa emma me ewo hono na me ko answer me de me video of the day no enso ebeba no Ziggy Mpacho se o hono ma piatum mame Mrs. Sandra Sesu and now your birthday we free uknu Mr. Bismarck Sesu Ura uchocho muncho odofo papa bi and I say young wish you happy birthday Mr. Bismarck Sesu say Mrs. Sandra Sesu odo efri na kumemu enti happy birthday and so to me and confirm our Yankopon Emma one thing onto one name na oma unim dear out still or the best support no wabrabom na makoswa and so any other de amamo na mo de atna intimacy Sandra Sesu Ura Mr. Bismarck Esesu ese happy birthday and so to me enko enfema me video of the day Dimanche Facebook on afi yemon komo kakra yes ebeba video of the day no video of the day no Jafaru or woman football or krom ha osi akan de ma bobo kwani din and so
okra shots
yes osi akan de ma berry ladies na no other ewo Madina Astrotef
Madina
no yes Astrotef no so CM Socrates and ana edi game back when she share so
okay
na abayiwa no go bi o share no efe o jeti unbox na chikura chire
Emanie
obia pa emia ball yes on ball no boy no as a berima nane shot ne pa ball shot no goalkeeper ne so wo ya fa goal post no so boy no aka shepo nim nine shot pa Jafaru 9 shot no nane manisha yes o mun go for Oscars award
say Inaka Uria, about 17 franchises. I feel no wash go.
Yes, since October 2022. And Inaka William Shea go the man. Beba, no
about World Cup. We can share now. Where the West Ghana Football Association here.
Also, a man league.
No, say who he has a back of fine Naka Uria baby.
Black ones no bet to me alcohol.
Now what did you penalty?
Ball.
Say I shall go.
And you
did you? Okay, now we shall go.
So we all call a man.
Oh, you're bound. Okay, what's your friend saying?
Jafaru.
This is one for sourcing press in baby blaster.
9 shot.
Aye.
Who shot?
Yes.
Great one pa.
Wow. How many years no?
Wait, by 30, 35.
Okay.
Yes, they would check. Original 18 box na chile kura na man pass no.
Not the one that didn't birthday no.
Mrs. Sandra Sesu.
Okay, Sesu.
Mrs. Sandra Sesu.
Okay.
New Bismarck.
Okay.
Sesu, Mister. I say, oh man, happy birthday.
Yes, Solo, Yamisha.
Ako si ansa no minchia no.
Yeah.
Ako, heavy bana one in town.
Maybe I told you no.
Yes.
Ako fa.
Oh, na no do mark na mikoja no.
Okay.
Mark ma mikoja no. Nti ma minchia one in town. Na minchia brackets and so.
Brackets.
Yes. Sober.
Brackets.
We heavy pa minchia.
Ena me ko na munwe.
Executive so michia.
Executive pap.
So that kroma abesra.
Pasolo Paradise. I don't know.
Ntu do so no ato aso.
Wo chechi ankrofo die. Enche. Ebi hu ba bia ayi ba wa gosi. Ena mase.
No gresa matia shimu esu se dia mi hu amani o bini me nchai ma mi so mu bi se na mi kra ne me santo so bitchia embe eye mi se bi kra mu di o woni makoma so ma de enti eye ntwitwi wu o ode o ba do mi ha do mi preko ode o ba do mi ha do mi preko ode an wa fe me fa wo do ti do ode before trying to paint my love for you. Don't you hear what them they say? I go love you, make me shame the devil. When you for hold me like your own, now and forever. I want to never hold on to do. And family who me no don't you. Ode,
like the Q6. I'm in the wild fantasies, the TDs. I'm from the city that make you dance to the music. You know I treat you so well. Be fantasizing about you being my girl. So when I had the chance to cast the spell, I said someone like you or someone like Adele. So tell the world to go to hell. I'm the man on fire, Denzel. I'll buy you shoes, diamonds and pearls, upper class tickets, see around the world. Umpe win out per day, or don't you see kappa, consider bay. So go ne mape, so go nyabody o tu o sika na da ya send the money o. Ode, oba do mi ada me prepo. Ode, I want to never hold on to do. Ode, and family will be no don't chicho. Ode, oba do mi ada me prepo. Ode.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Was our dear tea for me? Could be a cook more bushia. Yeah, Minya will want dear Michelle Sika Competia. Yet I who I am here, Makuma Famu, Yamiami, Mammy Shokawa, Makuma Famu, be the by Pimpina, I am Pimpina, Mavina, you are the one, there's nobody but you. I'm waiting for the day to be rolling the carpet for me and you. Pimpina, my am Pimpina. What? Oh, him and who now who brasenu ne kumikeke. Bisa unim sena nu ya na mesenepe. Mesenese o ma mission akuma mu ahinche. Yeah. Wapene super pepe. Enti mashane boso bete minka enche. Pimpem na clean enya ni wonyam she afin so mempese me de ne do ne betonte. Yeah. Eni je bia be she mu onunti. Hey. Mi huna na me help me refi. Mi ni e train sunti. Brand new car with the try number, dear Missy Melans and San and Okapu City, a shen of Funumun and Yenedia, or for the end and Nampo Paso. Me mom free with fear, Meda washing. By the side, Mamma man is so. Medekawesi Swa, Yakosin sign a meeting thou swa, Minos of Pombi Baby Shaswa, and once and a man who said what on about to away. Pimpina, my am Pimpina, Mabina, maybe some minutes. My am Pimpina, Mabina, maybe some minutes. Mabina, Dumwe, Mingo, in music. Minso unzenga mivie nana mimpempe na dream Dre kronkron is in the beat Yeah, mangwa uwa minyobi Minga umobi Habina mayem pimpina Yawa wini ya kuwa pimpina Habina Oh nana
Okuma Radio 97.1.
I don't be a shrum, yeah. You know, we say I be better past anybody. And so wish you out. And your boy, no. See, so when they hustle, know they make chance pass me by. So make it do your best and use your sense. I show the stresses, I put God first. Charlie, it no be race, it no be test. And Jack guide so no one can test. So make it tell them. So we dey come, no they fear them. Baba God did for my side, so no shake it.
Yeah, when you're media, on Chonko na Ondo. On any CCTV, they be and anyone me so. Even if I walk through the valley of death, I know the fear. Every day be Jack guide. Yeah, when you're media, on Chonko na Ondo. On any CCTV, they be and anyone me so. Even if I walk through the valley of death, I know the fear. Every day be Jack guide. Jagai.
Make you no cry, oh no cry, oh. Say you gon' be, make you still try, oh. You know drum on the new me, oh. Gosh, ain't no good way. I pity make you no cry, oh. Still try, oh. Say you gon' be, make you no cry, oh. You know drum on the new me and die. Quite, I don't mean a song, I don't mean a dimmy. I don't mean a dimmy, team in China, cheetah. Don't mean a song, I don't mean a dimmy. Oh, yeah, team in China, cheetah.
Yeah, when you're media, on Tonko na Ondo, on in the CCTV, they be an anyone me so. Even if I walk through the valley of death, I know the fear. Every day be your guide. Yeah, yeah, when you're media, on Tonko na Ondo, on in the CCTV, they be an anyone me so. Even if I walk through the valley of death, I know the fear. Every day be your guide. Your guide.
Nyame back up in the bomb and hobby. Timwa,
Radio 97.1.
Asana mo bomb second. Momano, Thomas almost sent me to the bottom. What dummy? Between me, the baby crown me fear. Charlie, the surround permission in media. Senior, a deep baby crab who put me in the chair. Bunyame, once when you want Kamayashi Semuchia, woman is Sammy, me to one man who come to friend. What would you mean when you tell my comment? When they come for one in my kitchen. Yes. My mentor was in a mentor was or can I say Musafa was Sankanya Mishirano, Unyamena was me Bontina de piano, and Sana, Udimi Dine Beko be piano, Kaisa was Shemi, Ubeduna with Siano, El Shaddai.
When you're media, on Tonko na Ondo, on in the CCTV, they be an anyone so. Even if I walk through the valley of death, I know the fear. Every day be your guide. Yeah, when you're media.
I wish your love forever would stay. Now I miss you. I just wanna be in your arms today. God bless you for coming into my life. I know it's been a while since I've seen your face. You got me counting on the days. I wanna see you smile, they make God grace. When you're not around, there's an empty space. I know it's been a while since I've seen your face. You got me counting on the days. I wanna see you smile, they make God grace. When you're not around, there's an empty space. Ooh. Falling, falling, oh baby, don't you hear me calling? Falling, falling, when I wake up next to you in the morning. Falling, falling, oh baby, don't you hear me calling? Falling, falling, I want you to squeeze me tight like a swan-na-na-na-na-na-na, baby, swan-na-na-na-na-na-na, babe, swan-na-na-na-na-na-na, baby, swan-na-na-na-na-na-na, babe, swan-na-na-na-na-na-na, baby, swan-na-na-na-na-na-na, babe, swan-na-na-na-na-na-na, baby. I want you to squeeze me tight like a.
On your mark, baby, let's go. We there on the right track, so make we just flow in the dark. That's when you glow. So when the lights come, the world go explode. From the start, you gave me your soul, so I appreciated you from get-go. In my heart is murder, she wrote, 'cause I could die for you everywhere we go. Hey. I see you falling, girl, I heard you calling, but you don't need to worry, 'cause I could see you in the morning, yeah. I see you falling, girl, I heard you calling, but you don't need to worry. I'm so thankful for your life. I know it's been a while since I've seen your face. You got me counting on the days. I wanna see your smiley, they make me crazy. When you ain't around, it's an empty space. I know it's been a while since I've seen your face. You got me counting on the days. I wanna see your smiley, they make me crazy. When you ain't around, it's an empty space.
97.1.
Falling, falling, oh baby, don't you hear me calling? Falling, falling,
wanna wake up next to you in the morning.
Falling, falling, oh baby, don't you hear me calling? Falling, falling, I want you to squeeze me tight like a swan-na-na-na-na-na-na, baby, swan-na-na-na-na-na-na, babe, swan-na-na-na-na-na-na, baby, swan-na-na-na-na-na-na, babe, swan-na-na-na-na-na-na, baby, swan-na-na-na-na-na-na, babe, swan-na-na-na-na-na-na, baby. I want you to squeeze me tight like a.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
You're too sexy, you're too bad, you're too naughty. Why that is a Pepsi? Me to some but I want you. Me did it sell, be a moment. Me to some about fear.
So simple no be mistress, na be a no be. So simple no be mister, no na be a no be. Women say shine chain, extra so very country. But to the very listen, pretty girls so they other pass the same. Baby, me see a shine chain, but I super extra very country. But to the very listen, pretty girls so they other pass the same. It's a me a no be. Obi a good on queer, let me a no be. Obi a the punch, the down, let me a no be. Obi a the pump, baby, let me a no be. I don't love you, but I don't know you well. You may love me too, but you may have someone else. I'm so many movies, baby, pray up my sound on me. I'm so much in no be for free. Into me name, I come at you. I on a chick or time, my name. Not drunk or be without it. Be without the back, I can't tell you. He said, I'm my own, so shall not to me in the Daniel to pay. From cross the Osuro, hear the figures of today, it's a real hobby. Obi a good on queer, I'll be a
me fita crowd me your ho na mabaha me pebesia onyukuni na menatena inte menyo waka kan de gezet na pa me pedo pa tu pa na go fi me nya koma inte tase na shase na chas na me humosi ma monso ma shade ma tade hwade se wakodo ekuku wanke fi Fernando po e original fiti hard to ho avu ko so flow sheri koko aye ni nyina share mama kaba obi big tree maba na maba
never me last someone is touch my baby. I did have him pano. I buy a bomb and I bought a cheap. I have a dollar style. Never me last someone is touch my baby. I did have him pano. I buy a bomb and I bought a cheap. Why a food that morning come? The family no guy. Who can it be? Morning Sunday. I don't call no darling. Why a food that morning come? The family no guy. Who can it be? Morning Sunday.
Na me mudi anwashi hwe me budia me buda diem na me mudi emu odene hwe me fije man donzi ba kamini mi emu ode budo ya na nya me na betire me ne wo ba guro kape atra wi asia mansan ya do ya na nya me na betire me ya wo campaign atra wi asia mansan nyina budo ya na nya me na betire Antifa won sabe wo many odo mi wo ya hwe fa won to ma be bo me dia no e to za bo ko die fa won sabe wo many odo wo ti na be be fa won to ma wo ti na mi be wa ka se mi papa na mi ni wo de ye wo do pa odo mi no ya che ye wo do kan enti mi de enkasa Mini wude ya odopa oda minu ya cheyi ya odokan anterabe facha mona mi ya bioma edano adibna me ai ono na goya mama sai masam anterabe facha mona mi ya bioma edano adibna me ai ono na goya mama sai masam
why do Shama sensu masiasa na gas oil le mehu ni nyina wana da waye nsefu pito me da she bijes hwe wan bo muslo me mehu difference ntenyi mi yempa wo sensu ye happy na yensi wo so called hwe 1 2 3 aja odi ya ho sete
fa won sabe wo many odo mi wo ya hwe fa won to ma ba me dia no e to za bo ko die fa won sabe wo many odo wo ti na me be fa won to ma mi pampana mini wude ya wodo pa oda minu ya cheyi ya wodo kan enti mi dey enkasa mini wude ya wodo pa oda minu. no me no ya cheyi ya wodo kan kai wa bo me piano What will be baby? I say no day and sun and way. On the power than any I say that mania we Mary. Oh, I won't say way. What will be baby? I say, oh, yeah, I know there was it. On the power than any I say that mania we say Mary. Oh, I won't say way. You are my baby. I wanna see you smiling, see you laughing. You are my cherry. Go go gaga, you are my babe. I don't go feel run and leave you behind. This be Romeo and Juliet. It be you where you deserve to be my wife. You deserve it, I know they lie. You know they feel well without my mind. What a pity, no bad baby. Be you where you deserve to be my wife. Hey, you know the yeah way. Ebo kumo, ebe kumo, ebe kumo. Yeah, no yeah way. I sing the kumo.
Come on, we a beauty. On Common Radio 97.1.
Ayo, what do you know what I'm saying? The way you don't want coaching, I want to feel the bum me a kutia. The one that me be sang the say, sweetie, do you have a boyfriend? I say yes, I do. And I make a trend to say, your love is big enough to share. What I call you say 1 liter. You're cruising from it a break into two. One tree and me and me. Found to my mama, they are not the cruising from it a break into two. One tree and me and me. Found to my mama, they are not see how I'm finna dead. And family was such a kawa. Nam, do one cent point. Bread, or buy my game, bunny, mammy, and I'm coming down. Be a baby, bunu, me, and me who change and be me do it. Danny, oh, church, oh, would you be country? I mean, I met you, man. My whole breast, I'm who do me. Because I'm a baby. The dog, me long, me down, me show. Me, maybe be young. I grab me, go be a minute, the man. One thing, I'm a tears. Yeah, cruising from it a break into two. One tree and me and me. Found to my mama, they are not the cruising from it a break into two.
They are cruising from Mebu. When 1-3 receive wind, it breaks. They are cruising from Mebu. Sanso na okwawari oba na wunya drop money man obeja hwakro. Me na me catch away enyentro we fact and figures and ya de adwuma. Anintima on sa entiminto sika so na sika ni emfra o daddy. Obema o ni sika ni emfra ne dada o da na wada. Na ni o sika ni emfra ne daddy. Aha. O yin so efra odo ye wu a, je se hye wo ho. Aninti ni ye hye ne ho ne ne gro. Memra ho e bra me kan for star 787 hash e di amount. Star 787 hash de e ya gura aba obi atwa bi adie na ye nya sika de bobra ko yanim pa. Sa brabo ni suye na gas ni filiu humbe filiu ade a wa benya phone na wa dial star 787 hash na be ka agudie no afi wo be select to siga to be se utwa no o dial star 787 hash a be mo akwanya na fe watumi agbawura akansie nim na wo do phone no ato atria ticket dudu bi apeso tobia ticket dudu bia ticket no dudu bi apeso tobia no star 787 hash me mo akwanya watumi ato na nyame ya wadom na woto na wura mu se kim na register na utua ka no a 5 Ghana cedis no wia anopa nyame ya adom obedi 10,000 aye 100 million awia so betumi di 10,000 na ye 200 million afi jackpot no obetumi adi aye 7 billion and 700,000 golden choppable Ghana cedis and be boa ma de nyina tumi akonkan de amount obeye premier ni afi obeye officer obeye don Buni sika obi amu and your friend hey bra ba jo post a yato film and wo sika pa dia bra pa cho as a post no a yato film pa cho no me de bra sika for no respect was papa I don't know star 787 has say will be able to me sika ni and mo money na fa huram na twabi na obedi na de nyina timi akonkan e de amawo star 787 hash or change your life story by taking your chance today. And try kura and ya dial star 787 hash. Now be lucky, you'll be the next winner. Mimi da be ebe koso ye betwa ye bedi na de nyatumi akonkan de amount. Uni fisha du wotwe a me ni bi ana me ntwa bi. Fisha du wotwe fo no nkwa na betimi atwa. Twa bi na nya sika ne mfa mmobra ne yenko ye no sika no eno ane be ma. Opa so bi say ho asem bia betumi afrem panyin e wo 0272 63 64 48 and afi 0559 68 9948. Star 787 hash. Also basically Sabria Menokasaya na de nyina tumi akonkan e the amount. Sabria de likely atom bia betumi asi eno nie.
Krista, sorry, oh, Krista, sorry.
Was sorry, am I? Krista, sorry, am I?
Last year, no, chat. This year, it's going to be a blast. Krista, sorry, second edition, Baso, on the 9th day in the month of Easter.
I say on the 9th of April 2023, a year Easter Sunday.
Yes, a year Easter Sunday. The second edition of the Krista, sorry, concert in Baso live. Our forecourt of a Christ Presby Church. Our Kopone Kwapem. Date, you know, on the 9th day in the month of April 2023. Artist Ambio, Hanamafo, Emi Newman, Owari Jr., Parker Jr., a good year, Lady Franca, Ohima Esther. Kayo said there's going to be a lot of side attraction. MCs, The Boy, and Parkwesia J. Adum Live Band, Epemay and Yum Te. Jumadi, Wapaso Soya Singer, for numbers said this way 0246 435565. 0246 435565. This program is being powered by Okumai 97.1 Radio and Okumai TV. Hey, Krista, sorry, oh, Krista, sorry. Was sorry, my come on.
It's Chamanasi Ankasa.
You may dear sir, Fatao.
Say you can say Dominion Herbal Powder, Emma immune system, and then Quabo will nip a drum in Yadden, Nanny Senti, what I did, Yaresun Kunimua, and what dance be new.
I don't dare fine pa, Manumbi, Tina Midiwa dancing, and I say, Meme say
Dominion Herbal Powder, dear, Ninia, and yet a month for dancing, and a bacon fool, near a year will nip a diamono, a bromaging, and a mentias, so, and my Dominion Herbal Powder, and Pawu de Biarada.
Someone at the Hono, Dominion Herbal Powder, and once one year will so share will take up. Now that trick to us. Biagumu, we transit yanum. Wabi Angels Dominion Herbal Center one koko and a diaba. A painful a baton more monufo. And Quada when you feed me a one kahon. Dodo afre 054 315 8195.
FDA Aji a Gradian Kratui Atum.
Oh la la! Ofla Construction Limited Company for sure. Kaiser Ofla Construction Limited Company in Penny for say. And yes, cement in the blossom kun waton. Ubomadia do any trauma share. Gubenya a building equipment. Somebody person to call site a hoodwo. Concrete product. Anafe. Almost supply a war. Anya. Anafe bibi biara wupebia or building site war. Kaiser almost so the into real estate development and so. It would dino person upejan in Tempa. Ofra Ofla Construction Limited Company. Wobejo so. For any job busumasi equipment. Amono Krapim, Koforidia, Asunjay Junction, Wasabeka Ofla Construction Limited Company, from I was 055 295 7198 0594 635656 050 280 8992 and 027 9012954. Book on social media handles in Nina, a yet Ofla Construction Limited Company, Wasa Erakomo, Kaisa, we have free delivery, baby. I will be and phone, Yedebeko Jawan Tempara, Senya Ofla dia, and there you are not building. Kayo, Sir Ofla Construction Limited Company. Your property, our priority. Our priority.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
We're in the mix.
Chamba, Benin Besha, Mana, Coco Chico, Minnie Doi Doi, and Yagra, Odani Wamba, the second year. Okay. The same loss of Simesua, Simiswa, Simiswa, or today, Uja, Sen or the Simiswa, 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 Namanane, Ayo, okay, bye, my besu, Ima, Makume, we don't stop, hey, beat up our besu, Ima, Makume, and Fanny Agro. Machambo Benia Chiole, Machambo come on, the man no bessie one I guess, my becca come on, I was one no bessie man, I was my becca come on, Adele, Bemon no go, come on no go, come on no go, Dele, Bemon no go, come on no go, come me when the Ayo, okay, bye my besu, Ima, my kumbe. Watch you and me, yeah, one coming in walk by. Mama, watch you and me, she one coming in walk by. Kumase, I'm a come, who bear who the Ami Pachura, one me a didn't grab a hawk. Mama make a yanka, and I do ya de yanka. You kiss me, I kiss you, you love me, I love you. All the kiddie and the father entertainer. Well, entertainer, it's a bill of sentence. Up, we are
tia in the places so hey and it's satia and answer and a cheat and then to me go hey penny for kaya ya boy your boss to me no I'll come for back
Odo ishe mefankwe oh ho go ay yamo and your dog your jibia sabini mamia sabini mamia minada oh Brahima aje hey sabini mamia minada oh Brahima. Will you this? Me pounding Okuma Radio 97.1. All your things symptom, everything capacitical, everything alright. What bravo? Rap software featuring Coffee B. That's a man pro. Goodbye. Oh, Auntie Victoria Akpene Sedega. May you Krumpawati. Mama Bibia Jet. Obia Janu Kunusuye. Obia Janu Yiri. Aya Miami ba Ophelia Ose Ochiasawa. Eya. Aninti what is on your brafore to Nyomuya? No obrafore dang Nyomuya. Na just okwa man mu baye de papa. The equipping mount things wave a year 2023 Easter no beba so papa and we superb lunch. Now ebefiasi on the 7th, on the 8th, and I feel on the 9th of April 2023. Na fida no 7th na all black Akwaba party no Areto Fem a year superb lunch. On the 8th is a artist and comedy night, and I feel on the 9th no. That is the Yesu sorry. Yesu Christo was sorry. Was sorry if you ufumo and nije ashe ya komemu yetunyum. Yesu sorry. Hey, na obrafu be hunyum on the 8th, on the 9th no. Na Jazz Kings for Aboni Chidom. Na anyuntofia wareba no. Ebi ye andaji for na work up memu nyinara obeba. Afe guru patapa na lewen. Breno eye anopa akobme nwumre bia no eye superb lunch. Me say oya andaji obetumi ababi. MCC no enna oba ha na manager so e baby. Superb lunch for me nchiamo mabu egum. Me say ma asha mo meba papa. For booking a reservation, man, we will chile takura de enkranko for you labo botum pack at the cover of the truck. After mobile superb lunch Medino on fresh 0242 74 36 73 0242 74 36 73 and after 0246 51 11 67. Superb lunch Medide ebe I and my shoddy are one. I am you, me panadodo. Oh, Afemie. Oh, Samuna Bibi. Salome. Metoni and Bibi Yayame. Oh, Minya Upo. Banuye. Master Negative, good evening to you. I know you are doing the listen right about now. Hey, Safari. Who poster Bakupeni? Oh, we are champion. Safari is a championistic assemblyman in the making. Hey! Oh, beautiful. Afe Sami Yoma. And so everywhere we happen. Opadai. Tampiko na want to see you. JDK Adum Enterprise the main country say dancing and where Dingama Modinga Nabra Wangashe Ewa Mampo Yapim only one year she to be out Dangana Wefi as to me every year. President for Yumbosi say me some semi Mr. Unyanko Pon Ara. I will be ye wate. Miami Batina and you me Mama Tina. Cement, iron rods, Nadwa, iron and galvanized pipe, square pipes, round pipes, angle pipes, a flat bar, a rods, a quarter rod, full rod. Ninano will be a way, JDK Adum Enterprise. One man point, Yapim, one at the Kwashi Memorial Hospital, no, Nidia Nimshe. In Brenga Menokase, on Nang Moton, Naya Dina Dinya Yi. This will be unto me, you'll be Asher, or Bro Bin, you'll be Asher, or Mangimu. 0244 42 95 33. 0244 42 95 33 na 0242 0244 857 874 JDK Adum Enterprise I know at the panel turn home now Easter on the Rich with a Richness Hotel and it's beba so what's one thing I never see kuma bibra no fan you when you be your papa person say Easter yenyi nara there ko Richness Hotel akoji yani mama dang mo adem breakfast ubenya afi access to the pool Wi-Fi afi minibar ubenya more lunch more dinner trip to Asinima Waterfalls. Hona nije ni wo anije bena menya Asinima nije awonto bena menya Asinima awonto ahamponi na Richness ye ahamponi na Richness ye ahamponi na Richness yo ebeye nije ebeye nwa se Richness why you did too much Obaba live band and so on the 8th of April 2023. Richness Hotel will do come here PIM 0244 33 33 73 0244 33 33 73. Richness Hotel. Experience the nature. Papa because okobo busia okwakobo busia na odi akutua ne last born school fees. See me o papa because okwakobo busia na odi akutua ne last born school fees. Na papa ne ba panyini ewo eye one of the Asian countries ibiso na okache ni so obe mane sika na odi atua eye school fees no and kwasem extra classes extra classes entina I was say this year dem bring the free teachers in the school fees no wonchia yo the extra classes no pano ko sokobo bosia na wodi sika na ma no montie mi o wodi sika na ma no ana waye nhihye nyina wie na oma ne orige bosia ono ho ne eti asisi ne babere ma wo eye akwantum so be mane no na omane ne dia odene sika ebebre no na ohye ne bre se me fa ne se enne anwumiri na koje bosia na oso ye ochena me fa se ochena no pa ebo no wotwe na se me ba no mane me ye dia muntie me hye ni sika no yɛ 1,000 cedis na mo or the 500 beto so 1,005 montie me 1,005 na no kwasem na sika na kwaka papa no ne ba panyin no wa buruchiri no or the sika na mane papa no ne yire nanso oyire na nka nkyere ne kunu enti edi 3 days ansana ne yire ka kyeni si o oba no kura no or the sika na amane miu na me de ahye wonsumu no ase na papa no tam sika ne so de kwakoma ba bi yokobo obosia ne si o me ko du fie kura no bere ne kura anso bere na anso na me ba no de sika ne kura amane me na we de mesra adi nansa enti 2,000 ni papa ne se da bi ansa na o share ne bere na bere na twam na di nansa ne de onfa 500 ne nka ho na onfa ne sika no emma no what you asinti 1,000 or the 500 be ka ho at the 3 days ne ba no edi sika na mane na no kwase me wo mu ne se o mane maame no nso na papa ne sa na te dia ane na maame sika wode amane wo no tio se me kwa tua 1,000 na papa ne se onye dia wo de edaso ye 500 no fama me mfa nka 1,000 ho na ba bia me ko je musia no me mfa nko tua maami se enye papa no onye papa ne kobo obosia ne nti papa na kobo ne bosia de a ono nkuto nko tua ne sika muntie mi o papa ne se maami ne se enye on ne kunu na ekopa bosia no enti so ekopa bosia de a ono nko tua ne sika na papa ne bisa ne se on hina na ewo abofra no enti kaba on hina ne nko tua ba chewo sika yi maami ni papa inchentua ana papa ne kopa ebosi enti ontua ono neka 0551667755 makopa ebosia ere kotua meba extra class me ne wona we abofra yi kopa ebosia na bosika na bedi wonchen enti eka abetoso wonso wode ye 500 kana se me kotua nso ye 500 enti anka mi yiwode no ede aso me bosia me koje no so me kotua wuka kire mi si me na maboka nti me kotua me ka me so bisa wo si me na hina na ewo abofra no kaba awfo na tua ana oberema no nkuto na tua 0551667755 hina na nkotua kai awfo ne nkambo mu ntua ana papa na kopa bosia nti ono nko ntua ne bosia 0551667755 0551667755 obi ewa homa no sunti yomode na yenko ne nchen ne nkotie na anumu asem hello Adishibeni
awa shahina
Captain retired of Ebru International Captain Huye
yes adu
yeah Captain kai hina na ntua
ade ya oberima no de onkotua ne ka no fa no ho adwene
oberima no nkotua ka no
yo
no fa no ho adwene
yo
identity Captain
se si ana obia no wa ya na adwene se on first ka na ma obia oberima ntino one de se si ana ka na nya ba ntino one de onkotua
Captain me no bawo enye se makọ be me no ba na kaba
o say me no wa dwen ye different no ntino de we wenya kase on fama no ono de on to kwan bi so na on kotu eska na
Captain men ko mani pa bien men ko
ni edi kan ni me din cha kase ma chema sami yoma income na assembly ma afi inchi ankoma BBC boys nyina ewo PC
okay PC midasi ndize papa no gotu ani kawa hu yo na anyo ne mame na we abofra no
ewo mo se one mame na we ba sesi ya mame na ye na adwen se on first scan na
okay
scan so channel na interest na kwa na ye ko so okay nti no na di on kotu
okay akraba da wase why ya cha sam yo mama me why 0551667755 da sani bi wa homa no so yenkotie na adwenkyere hello okay pacho sang frebio madawroma modingara na frebio 0551667755 7755 0551 66 7755. Oh, you say okay. Obi at the text message. I'm for we answer. Hello.
The boy, I'm not coming to go.
Oh, Malcolm Nipanka, go for the police battery me. In a new. Oh, salo. Anybody else, sir?
Oh, my need ticket. Master
Kakawa.
Oh, Missy.
Now, Sir, and a Johnson and Namuni soon. Oh, Sir, and a Johnson is soon and Nam, the Munia Hina Saluye, or soon, and now Johnson. Making Kay, he say, Kwame, it's your man, Kwakulabi. Okay, Kwakulabi, explain yourself. It's a better chimumame. 0551667755. Salo, and to me and Yinaso, until you so to me about Kwakulabi. Please come and then explain yourself. A kaba. Ti mami. Okay. Obi aba humanus nti yankwa ncheng. Hello. Aina niyo?
Ama Sister
Ama Kasafi.
Eburi.
Oh, Sister Ama Eburi tirang.
Eburi boko.
Yo, nana otubu ajankwasi ni huye.
Yamia to mu bia huye na ontu ye.
Me huye den se bongris na twira kronkron. Yo, Sister Ama chawadwe ni yankwa.
Se afenu ni nyina etua kan.
Adenti na okasa Sister Ama.
Enyo ba akofo na ewu nti se abofra na kabia wo wa mo be no na efetua. Endi se wuja oto ba akoso.
Also bare man so kopa bosia no wan kan kire oyire nti oyire su nne mo hwe so na sika ne bedi ni nchen nti oni mo hwe untimi nje ne di ntua na
en papa ma se obuya na utua.
Okay. Nti odi ukuru kopa bosia kra na wan kan kire obuya na manatua.
Oh. Se kana bana so woda ne ka de se obuya na utua ka.
Yo. Sister ma obofu awoti aburi menkoma nipa bien why?
Yo. Ba Chelsea.
Chanipa benu.
Misia sister adua ofi eburi otawa adu eburi market.
Okay.
Ana misia ya ehene eburi hene ni dintia man.
Medase. Hello.
Yeah, also.
Mata negati.
Yo, majwe.
Okuma ni o.
Ukakumangano.
Medase papa watch repair papa makura. Wadwin chere mra na yenko.
Yo, me say kano one bel ni naka. Ntino say obema no yi oba no di bi de kan de ho okutua.
Obema no yi obia ne de ni bi.
E fan kan ne no okutua kano.
Adenti na say otua kan sa.
Say adero ntonpi no eja no wati ase no oni ana abofra no ahwe na ni school ko ni bibia na se ka aba oni school ko mo dia. Normally no my experience nti me say me papa we be 36 years ni. Oba no ti ase onya mofa no ho faso. Nti won be ni na faso. Nti no ka bi aba say won be ni na kire ni tia.
Yo. Chani pa ba ni ma kura.
Yo nti ama tem no ti mpapa ata.
Ama wa hu.
Ana bi tia ntare so me tell nka ti ni tia no.
Oho.
Kwa ntare yo tia no mangeni.
Medase.
Yo.
Hello. Salo.
Yeah.
What's the wasro sa?
Yeah.
Na me se sero ane niema bie na na ida so besu ana.
But me su ye me nyon so ye. But all na nya keke.
Na eya nkrofo su na wodwen so ho.
So na wo ko na me de minim.
Me su minim me das. Tre wadwen salo na enko.
E kan de wontu ni na wonka. Nse se ma me ne boa papa ne na wotua. Wontu ni na na abofra ne ye womba. Nti ombo ano na wontu ya na asumdwe mra.
Okay. Ya ba chi ankrofo bia bie. Why?
Messi abori semfu nyina eni Ziggy
wa hu.
Yo.
Yo.
Mi kwene na kwa me parents mi kia ne pa.
Medase. Mi mi chi osofo kwa esi why?
Obetse. The boy wants to.
Medase. Hello.
Hello.
Inenio.
Because if you are sign groom.
Osan bro mpacho din direng mina.
Bajan of Frema Kuyafi.
Akuya. Akuya F. Yo, akumani.
Mpacho Ograf Manadamfo.
Yo, sa. Hello.